Hey y'all, it's Boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing Cup of Bile. And I'd like to give a shout out to Kolinka Vladislav, who did this on September 16th. Let's go to it. There's nothing really much I can say on top of that. But yeah. No, Bile. I don't remember what Bile is. So yeah, and also there's, just like previous episode, there was no word for this. Like the name of the transformation. What the hell is that? It's so bitter it burns, like something rotting and alive at the same time. I can feel it coating my throat, thick and sour, and it won't go down clean. Something's changing in me, and it tastes like bile. Oh, you found out, didn't you? Oh. Okay, hello? I did not expect this to happen. What do you even call this? I call that Carnage. Inside out. Okay, that looks like a super villain or superhero, depending. Like the symbiote and Carnage had a child, but also had sex with both of them had sex with an invisible woman. Yeah, that's kind of what that reminds me of. Alright, that is the Cup of Bile. If you enjoyed this episode, please take to the next video. Bye bye.